Welcome back. Now, one of the workarounds to audio degrading over the life of the narration is to use the Projects tab. And basically, the Projects tab allows you to section your narration. It's really designed for cases where you have long narrations, such as with an audiobook, where you need a voice to be consistent over long periods of text. However, you can use the project in the same way in order to mitigate degrading over time. You can create a new project. Now, in this particular case, again, the project tab is meant to be read from an existing document. So you'll see here that you can initialize a project from an EPUB, from an existing document, or even from a URL that you have. However, what you can also do is you can create an empty project. You can give the project a name. You can then choose a voice, and you can choose either your professionally cloned voice or your instantly cloned voice. You will get a model recommendation, and you'll want to use the model recommendation. Once you do that, you're going to go to the Create button. What you're going to notice, 11 Labs will start with a chapter. And so what you can do is you can place in your text. And instead of having all of the text being read in one chapter, we can take part of the text. We can then place it in a new chapter. So in this particular case, we would then start a new chapter. And we can click this button to start a new chapter. We can then add a new chapter. We're going to give the chapter a name. We would then click on top of that chapter. We would then replace the text. And again, this is a workaround. So what we would do is we would then section off our content to another chapter. We would click on that chapter, and we would add in our new text. And we would again section off our text. We would then add in another chapter, and then add in our text. What we would then want to do is we would then want to listen to our narration, and we will do that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.